Good day, ma'am. I'm Lamarino Christy J from Base ITE1. My topic for today is all about communication, networks, and safeguards, the wired and wireless world. Before I'm going to start my presentation, I will give you my outline about my topic. First, from analog to digital age. Second, networks. Third, the wired and wireless communication media. And the last is all about keeping the computer secure. It starts from analog to digital age. Digital describes any system based on discontinuous data or event, in the case of computer. It refers to communication signals or information represented in a two-state ways using electronic or electromagnetic signals. Each 0 and 1 signal represent a bit. Computers are digital machines because at their most basic level, they can distinguish between just two values, 0 and 1, or off and on. Analog. Analog, continuously varying in strength and or quality punctuating, evolving or continually changing. It describes a device or system that represents changing values or continuously variable physical quantities. A typical analog device is a clock, in which the hands moves continuously around the face. Networks or communication networks. Communication network is a system of interconnection of computers, telephones, and other communication devices that communicates with other and share application and data. A network is a series of points or nodes interconnected by a communication path. The benefits of networks are sharing of peripheral devices, sharing of programs and data, better communications, security of information, access to database. There are types of networks. First one, or wide area network. Wide area network is a communication network that covers a wide geographic area, such as a country or the world. The computers are farther apart and are connected by telephone lines or radio waves. MAN or Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network is a communication network covering a city or a suburb. A data network designed for a town or a city. LAN or local area network. A local area network connects computers and devices in a limited geographic area, such as one office, one building, or a group of buildings close together. The computers are geographically close together, that is, in the same building. HAN or Home Area Network. Home Area Network used wired, cable, or wireless communication device to link household digital services. A network contained with users' home that connect a person digital services. PAN or Personal Area Network. Personal Area Network uses short-range wireless technology to connect individual personal electronics. A computer network used for data transmission among devices, such as computer, telephones, and personal digital assistants. Home Automation Networks. Home automation networks relies a very expensive, very short-range, low powerless technology in the under 200 kbps range link switches and sensor around the houses. A type of local area network that develops from need to facilitate communication and interoperability among digital devices present inside or within the close vicinity of a home. A device capable of participating in these networks, smart devices such as network printers and handheld mobile computers, often again enhance emergent capabilities through there to interact. Wired communication media. Communication media or communication channel that carry signal over a communication path, the route between two or more communication devices. It refers to delivering and receiving data or information. In telecommunication, this means our transmission and storage tool or channel for data storage and transmission. Under the wired communication media are the twisted pair wire, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Twisted pair wire is consists of two strands or insulated copper wire twisted around each other. The twisted pair configuration somewhat reduces interference from electrical fields. Twisted pair cabling is a type of wiring in which two conductors of a single circuit are twisted together for the purpose of improving electromagnetic compatibility. Coaxial cable is a high-frequency transmission cable for insulated copper wire wrapped in a solid or bonded metal shell and then in an external plastic cover. The term coaxial refers to the inner conductor and the outer shield sharing a geometric axis. Fiber optic cable. It is consists of dozens or hundreds of thin strands of glasses or plastic that transmit pulsating beams of light rather than electricity. A technology that uses glasses or plastic trades fiber to transmit data. Wireless communication media. There are three types of wireless communication media. First, electromagnetic spectrum. Second, radio frequency spectrum. Third, bandwidth. Electromagnetic spectrum is the basis for all telecommunication signal carried by both wired and wireless media. The electromagnetic spectrum of an object has a different meaning and is instead the characteristic distribution of electromagnetic radiation emitted or absorbed by the particular object. Radio frequency spectrum is a field of electrical energy and magnetic energy that carry mass communication signal. The entire spectrum of electromagnetic frequencies used for radio and radar and televisions. Bandwidth is the range or band of frequencies that a transmission medium can carry in a given period of time. The amount of data can be transmitted in a fixed amount of time. For digital devices, the bandwidth is usually expressed in a bits per second or byte per second. The wider a medium bandwidth, the more frequencies it can use to transmit data, and thus the faster the transmissions. Now to the last part of the topic, which is cyber threats, hackers, and safeguards. Cyber threats. Under the cyber threats are a denial of service attack that consists of making repeated requests of a computer or a network devices, thereby overloading it and denying access to legitimate users. It is used to target particular companies or individuals. Worms. Worms is a program that copies itself repeatedly into a computer's memory or a disk drive. Mini copy itself so much it crashes the infected computer. Primarily target PC running Microsoft Windows. Viruses. Viruses is a deviant program that hides on a disk, in an email, or in a web link that causes unexpected effects such as destroying or corrupting data. Viruses are released at the rate of about one per day. A computer virus is a program or piece of code that is loaded onto your computer without your knowledge. Trojan horse. A program that pretends to be useful programs such as a free game or a screensaver but that carry viruses or malicious instructions that damage your computer or install a backdoor of a spyware. Backdoor and spyware allow others to access your computer without your knowledge. How did they spread? Through via email attachment, by infected disk, by checking an inflated website, by downloading infected files from website, through infiltrated Wi-Fi hotspots from one infected PC on a LAN or another. How can do about it? Install antivirus software and subscribe to the manufacturer's automatic antivirus update service. Cellphone malware. Cellphone malware is spread via internet downloads, MMS attachment, and Bluetooth transfer. Usually show up distinguished as application such as games, security patches, add-on functionalities, erotica, and pre-programs. How can we protect your phone? Turn off Bluetooth discoverable mode. Seek security. Check security updates to learn about file names to watch out for. Install security software.